In this lesson, you will learn how to read the Hangul, which is authentic Korean writing system and very easy to learn. After learning Korean alphabet, both consonant and vowel sounds, you'll be able to read whatever words they are. That's the beauty of learning Hangul. 안녕하세요, 아루사입니다. Hi, this is 아루사. Before learning Korean alphabets, I'd like you to get used to this short song. 가나다라 마바사 가나다라 마바사 가나다라 마바사 아자차카 타파하 아자차카 타파하. Did it take 5 seconds or less? This little song contains all the consonant sounds in Korean alphabets. 가나다라 마바사 아자차카 타파하 가나다라 마바사 아자차카 타파하 가나다라 마바사 아자차카 타파하. There are 19 consonants in Hangul, but this time you will learn 14 basic consonants with a vowel sound A. Ga. 기역 plus A makes ga. G. G is pronounced the same as g, as in gate. Na. Niun plus A makes na. N. N. Da. Digut plus A makes da. D. D. La. Lil plus A makes la. L. Lil is same as L sound. In Korean, we don't have R sound. Lil makes L sound. L. La. La. La 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 la. Ma. Mim plus A makes ma. M. M. Ba. B plus A makes ba. B. B. In Korean, we don't have V sound. We only have B sound. B. 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 사. 시옷 plus A makes 사. S. S. 사. A. ing plus A makes A. A. ing sounds the same as ng sound. A. 자. 지읒 plus A makes 자. j. J. Same as J sound. J. 차. 치읓 plus A makes 차. 차. 치. 치 is similar to CH sound but not exactly the same. 치. 차. 카. 기역 plus A makes ka. K. Same as K sound. K. Ka. Ta. T plus A makes ta. Ta. T. Same as T sound. T. A. Ta. Pa. P plus A makes pa. Pa. P is same as P sound. In Korean, we do not have F sound. P sounds P. Pa. Ha. Hyut plus A makes ha. H. H. Same as H sound. H. ha. Kanadara mabasa azataka tapaha. Kanadara mabasa azataka tapaha. Ha ha ha. The 14 consonants we have learned today. Well done! Kanadara mabasa azataka tapaha. Kanadara mabasa azataka tapaha. Kanadara mabasa azataka tapaha. Kanadara mabasa azataka tapaha. Kanadara mabasa azataka tapaha.